This is my third time making this intro part of this video, and whoever requested this, you are loved. I almost didn't record this video. Anyway, it's that time of year, guys, and it's cold outside, so we can't really do roasting meat outside. I don't know where you live, but where I live is super cold. And some part of the video I already deleted, so I'm not going to be able to show you all of the ingredients, but you see pretty much most of it, the most important part at least. So I have a pound of meat in here, and I have multicolored bell peppers. I have the yellow, the orange, and the green. I also have some zucchini, which is optional, some onions to go on the steak as well. One thing that I already deleted that I'm just gonna have to say to you is that I have some green bell peppers, just a little bit, half onion, and one hot pepper that I already pureed. And the hot pepper is optional as always, but you know, if it's not hot, it's not Liberian, so I have to add pepper in there. There goes the pepper I was talking about. It has already thickened. It took about 15 minutes to cook it. There wasn't much water in there. I just added a little bit of water, pretty much just to puree it. So I added a pinch of each one of these seasonings. Garlic powder, just a pinch. Paprika. Basil. I added a half teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. I also added one small cube, seasoning cube. I got some sticks right here. Now I'll add the sauce to the meat. I wore some gloves for this so I don't pepper myself. Vegetable, it's up to you how much you want to add to it. Yes, I'll add orange color, onion, another piece of meat, pepper, maybe one more onion, and I'm just gonna do the rest of them and show you the next part. I didn't record. So I have all the kebabs on the stick, and as you can see, I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but I have them on a cooling rack. I already sprayed the cooling rack, but I'm going to spray on top of the meat again, just to help give it that smoky dark color. Since we don't have a grill, we're gonna make it happen. I have my oven on 400 degrees, and I have it in there on one side for about 20 minutes. So 20 minutes later, I'm going to cover it up with foil. Put it in another 10 minutes just to make sure it's well cooked, and after that it should be ready. Make sure you're temping your meat and make sure it's reaching 165 degrees. Otherwise, put it back in for some more time until it's up to 165, and then you know your meat is done. Just take a look at that. And in one of my videos, one of my subscribers asked me to eat on camera, but what she doesn't know is that I have no respect for myself when it comes to eating at home. I literally sit on the floor, wash my hands, and use my natural spoon to eat. This chef right here can get country chef. Put a spoon down, we just save that other one there for the people serving at restaurant. But at home, I sit, spread my legs, and I eat. No shame in my game. So just keep asking, because when I start getting country on you, it will not be easy.